Hello and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, with a crazy idea today, and I'm going to see how it turns out. So as you can see, I'm doing my base with a really beautiful metallic gold, and well, it's my champagne gold which I custom make, and it is 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. Now I'm going to do these, the kind of whatever your heart desires shapes through that colour. But what I think I maybe should have done was wait until the colour had dried, maybe, but then I wouldn't have been able to do the next bit of my idea. I'll let you follow on and see what you think, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. And now for some puddles in here, and the puddles are that navy, and I'm putting a metallic copper in there. So I'm going to keep it quite minimalistic, and we'll see what we get out of this. But it's going to be, instead of a balloon, it's going to be something different that I kiss those puddles with.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow, windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you.
So here goes for my next chapter. Yes, I have blown up a glove and seen if it gives any kind of different result when I kiss those puddles of paint. Hopefully it squidges it a bit further and makes a nice big kiss. Oh yes, look at that. Wow, that is a really nice defined flower effect, isn't it? Without any of the fine art to create it. So I'm merrily going to go all over this canvas. Obviously, probably go overboard like I usually do, because I can't help myself. But you know, when you're in your art room for your art and therapy, nobody's putting any pressure on me. It's not a commission. It's just my time. Remember, my art, my rules, my way. And that's how I'd like you, if you're on the art journey or thinking of starting it, that's how I'd like you to look at it. It's just about you. This isn't about your children or your husband or your wife or anyone else. It's just about you and giving you some downtime, art therapy, joy. It can be frustrating, but it's fun and I'm loving it. Wow, that was fun. May blow up glove. I think the only fault, I should have waited till the background had dried, give it a second coat so the gold was more prominent. But look at some of these effects through that. Beautiful. I really would like to do a huge one of these to go in my hallway, my home. So I've got a big canvas there. So call that one a tester. Tester. But love the effects. So if you haven't got a balloon, just blow up a glove. I'm super happy with that. What do you guys think? Something a little different, a little fun. So I'll definitely perfect that a bit more with I think the background needed to be dry, I guess. But absolutely love my glove kisses. So instead of balloon cut kisses, they were definitely a glove kiss. But just the right amount of sprinkled cells in there. They look gorgeous. Let me know what you think. It'd be interesting. Is it a yay or a nay? I personally love it, but as I say to you, your art, your rules, your way. Okay, my lovelies, thank you so much for joining me. Really appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to tune in to more of my videos. I think there's nearly 2,000 videos there now. Or definitely, I think it's 2,000, maybe over 1,000, I'm not sure. Please take care. Remember, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, ring a family member or a friend. If that isn't available to you, then certainly a helpline. Okay, bye for now.
It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out on a walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. With you could be 20 minutes or an hour or two.
Oh my goodness, these days my best art is coming from scraped paws, ones that I'm not happy with, having more success with my failures. I'll take anything, because certainly getting high definition photos of these and getting prints, you know, they're a good seller. So I'm happy with it. That was really loads of movement in that, really beautiful colours, and it thankfully didn't turn muddy. So I hope you enjoyed that craziness.